So I wonder how much money it takes to start selling on Amazon. Guess we're gonna find out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will be talking about how much money it takes to get started selling on Amazon. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And if you're an oldie here, then welcome back. Okay, so to get things started, right? In order for you guys to start selling on Amazon, you're pretty much gonna need any amount. And when I say any amount, I mean any amount. Like for example, I started my Amazon book selling business with just $10, and I used the Amazon seller app, and I went to a library and I started buying books from there. So what I did was I looked at my phone and I checked the ranks and I checked how much the books are selling for, and that helped me make good decisions on what books to buy and what books I should avoid buying. And I took the books that I purchased that day and I sent them into the warehouse, and once I did that, I started making some profit, and out of that profit, I took that profit and I flipped it again so that I can go back to the library with the profit I made and just continue to do this sort of like a snowball effect, if you know what I mean. So as far as like what does it take to start, I mean, you can start with $100, you can start with $10, you can start with $5. It's totally up to you. It's totally up to you. So whatever it is you decide to do, then go ahead and do it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how it goes for you on your first trip out there to the libraries. And if you need any help, just make sure to reach out to me. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so for those of you that stuck around to the end, one, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and two, I'm gonna give you a pro tip. So one of the tips that I can give you is if you're extremely broke right now and you cannot afford to even take $5 and go to the library and buy books, okay, I suggest you wake up early in the morning. I mean, like around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, and start scrolling down your phone on Craigslist. Go on the free section. A lot of people sometimes post free books, and I'm telling you, like, I did this when I first started out, and I came home one day with about 500 books, and I made so much money off those books. Like, it was unbelievable. But if you take my advice, I guarantee you're definitely gonna make some money. Just be smart about it.
God.